Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. All of you, did you complete your yesterday homework? Yes or no? Yes, I hope you have completed. Now, shall we recall further? Previous class numbers and numbers name. Okay. Shall I ask question? Okay, listen. Say the spelling for 500. Say the spelling for 500. F-I-V-E 5. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 500. Okay. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 500. F-I-V-E 5. H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 500. Then open your mouth and say the spelling for 46. 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 46. Is that no? Yes. Okay. Then say the spelling for 91. Open your mouth and say the answer. 91. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 O-N-E-1 91. Okay. Very good. Then say the spelling for 37. 37. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 37. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 S-E-V-E-N 7. 37. Okay. Open your mouth and say the spelling for 37. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 S-E-V-E-N 7. 37. Okay. Very good. In this class, we are going to study about place value and face value. Okay. In this class, we are going to study about place value and face value. Okay, Mama? Do you know place value and face value? Place value means idamadippu. Okay. Place value means idamadippu. Face value means muhamadippu. Okay. What is the meaning for place value? Idamadippu. Okay. Then, what is the meaning for face value? Muhamadippu. Okay. Idamadippu மற்றும் muhamadippu. Place value and face value. Okay. Now, the numbers get its place value according to the place it holds in a number. Okay. We have studied the ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes or no? Did you know that? Yes. Okay. First we have to find the number is in ones place, or tens place, or hundred place. Okay. Then we have to write place value and face value. Okay. The product of the digit and the value of its place give the place value of the digit. Okay. The number is in which place, that is called place value. Okay. To write numbers in the place value chart, we start from the right as ones place and then proceed to the left as tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and so on. Okay. 0 always has the same place value and face value, that is 0 wherever it may be it position in the number. Okay. The place value means idamadippu. We have to find the place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it holds. Okay. Place value means first we have to find the underlying digit number. First we have to find the underlying digit number. Then find the underlying digit number is in which place, ones place, or tens place, or hundred place. Then we have to write the answer. Okay, Mama? Face value means you see the underlying digit number and take and write the number only. No need to see the place values. Okay. the face value of a digit is the digit itself. You find which number is underlined, you take and write the face value place. But place value means we have to find the, we should find the places. Okay, ones place, or tens place, or hundreds place. Okay, do you understand? Okay, shall we see some examples? Okay, write WRITE, write. WRITE, write. THED, PLACE, place. AND, and. FACE, face. VALUE, value. Okay, write the place and face value. Now only we have studied place value means we have to find the underlined digit number. Okay, face value means that's same, you have to find the underlined digit number. Okay, the place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it holds, but the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, Mama, listen. The first one, what is this number? What is this number? 486. Yes, first we have to mark it ones, tens and hundred. Ones, this is tens, and this one is 100. Okay, ones and tens, we have to read it together. 100, how to read it separate. Okay, Mama, ones and tens enna pannanum சேர்த்து read பண்ணனும், 100 separate read பண்ணனும். Okay, now read it. 486. Is that no? 486. Okay. Now you have to write the answer. Okay. ANS. ANS means answer. Okay. Write PLACE, place. VALUE, value, is equal to place value. Okay, now first we have to see the underlined digit number. Which number is underlined here? Which number is underlined here? 4. Is there no ma? One underline is here. Yes. Which number is underlined? 4. Then you have to find 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Yes or no? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Okay. So you have to write 400. 400. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we have to write 400. Okay. Then face value. FACE, face. VALUE, value, face value. Face value means we have to see the underlined digit number and take and write it here. Okay, which number is underlined? 4. Which number is underlined? 4. So you take and write the 4 here. Face value is very easy. Okay, Mama, just you see the underlined digit number. Place value means you want to find the places. Face value means we no need to anything. You just see the underlined digit number and take and write the answer, please. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. Place value, face value. புரியுதாமா? Place value means எந்த number underline பண்ணியிருக்குன்னு first என்ன பண்ணணும்? கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Then அந்த underline பண்ணியிருக்கிற number எந்த placeல இருக்கு? ones placeல இருக்கா? tens placeல இருக்கா? hundreds placeல இருக்கான்னு find பண்ணி 4 இப்போ எந்த placeல இருக்கு? hundreds place. For 400 you have to write the number. Okay. numeralsல ரைட் பண்ணணும். place value 400. then face value means எந்த நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அந்த நம்பரை பார்த்து அப்படியே எடுத்து ரைட் பண்ணிடணும். okay, do you understand? shall we see the next one? okay, listen. what is this number? what is this number? first you mark the ones, tens and hundreds. okay, ones, tens and hundreds. okay, the underlined digit number is 6. what is this number? open your mouth and say 946. yes or no? 946. okay mama, now write the place value. place, place. value, value. place value is equal to, now you have to find the place value. okay, நம்ம இப்ப என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? place value find பண்ண போறோம். okay, first we have to see the place value. which number is underlined here? which number is underlined here? 6. yes, 6 is in which place? ones place. okay, so you take and write 1 6 is 6 only. yes, so we have to write that same number 6. 6 ones place la dhanama irukku, so we have to write. then face value, face, face. value, value. face value. okay, face value. which number is underlined? 6. so you take and write 6 here. the underlined number digit is in ones place, means you have to multiply by 1. 1 6 is 6. okay, the underlined digit number is in 100 tens place, means tens place, means you have to multiply by 10. 10 fours are 40. you take and write 40 here. now the underlined digit number is in hundreds place, means you have to multiply by 100. 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900. okay, do you understand? okay, very good. then fine, next one, 73. okay, write the answer. what is this number? 73. yes, ones and tens place only is here. ones, tens. okay, so you write 73. write it here. place value. okay, place value, place, place. value, value. place value. okay, place value is equal to, then you have to find the face value. face, face. value, value. okay mama, now we have to find the place value and face value. okay va, now see which number is underlined. which number is underlined? open your mouth and say which number is underlined? 7. okay, which number is underlined here? 7. 7 is in which place? 7 is in which place? 7 is in tens place. okay, so you have to multiply by 10. okay, 7 multiply by 10. 10 sevens are 70. okay, 10 sevens are 70. then we have to find the place value. place value, already we have completed the place value. then find the face value. which number is underlined? 7. you take and write it here. 7. you take and write it here. 7. okay, do you understand? okay, next another one hitting. okay mama, find the place value of the digits. find the place value of the digits. okay, this is another one method. Okay, so we have to write find, F-I-N-D, find, T-H-E-P, P-L-A-C-E, place, V-A-L-U-E, value. Find the place value. Okay, find the place value. The previous heading is write the place value and phase value. Okay, nama place value kandupidikanum, phase value kandupidikanum. Now this topic is find the place value only. Okay, so listen. 86. What is this number? 86. Okay. What is this number? This number is 86. First we have to mention the periods. Okay. First we have to mention the periods. Ones and tens. Ones and tens. Okay. Which number is in ones place? 6. So we have to multiply by 1. Okay. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So we have to multiply by 1. 8 is in which place? Tens place. So we have to multiply by 10 and take and write the answer here. Okay, Mama? The number is in ones place means we have to multiply by 1. The number is in tens place means we have to multiply by 10. Okay, now listen. 6. 1 6 is 6. You take and write here 6. Then 10 8s are 10. 8 is in which place? Tens place. Yes or no? 8 is in which place? Tens place. So we have to multiply by 10. 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay. Then see. Now we have to find the next one. Okay. First, we have to mention the periods, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, Mama? Which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? 1. Yes or no? Yes. So, we have to multiply by 1. 1 multiply by 1 will get 1. Okay. Then, 3 is in which place? 3 is in which place? Tens place. So, we have to multiply by 10. Okay, Mama? 3 is in which place? Tens place. So, we have to multiply by 10. Okay. 10 3s are? 10 3s are? Open your mouth and say the answer. 10 3s are? 30. Okay. 10 3s are 30. You take and write it here. 30. 30. 30. Then 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. Okay, 4 is in which place? 100 place. So we have to multiply by 100. 100. Okay, 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Okay, Mama? Next one. 78. 78. Okay. First, want to mention the periods, ones and tens. Okay. Which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? 8. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, you take and write. First, we have to multiply by 1. Okay. 1 8 is 8. Okay. Then 7 is in which place? 7 is in which place? Tens place. Okay. So we have to multiply by 10. We have to multiply by 10. Okay. 10 sevens are 70. You take and write the answer here 70. Okay. You take and write the answer here 70. Okay. Ones place means we have to multiply by 1. Tens place means we have to multiply by 10. Okay, 1 8 is 8. 10 sevens are 70. Okay, so we see the next one. Okay. Now we have to mention the periods. First starts from ones. Okay, we have to start from ones. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means thousands. Okay, Mama? Ones means we have to multiply by 1, tens means we have to multiply by 10, hundreds means we have to multiply by 100, thousand means we have to multiply by 1000. Okay. Now listen, which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? 6. Is there no? Which number is in ones place? 6. So we have to multiply by 1. 1 6 is 6. So you take and write here 6. Okay, Mama? Then 9 is in which place? Tens place. 9 in the place la irukku. Tens place. Yes or no? Open your mouth and say the answer. 9 is in which place? Tens place. Okay. So you multiply by 10. 10 nines are 90. 10 nines are 90. Okay. Then see the 100 place value. Which number is in hundreds place? 8. Yes or no? Which number is in hundreds place? 8. Okay, we have to multiply 8 multiply by 100. Okay, 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to, we will get 800. Okay, then see the last one. 4 is in which place? Thousands place. Okay, Mama, 4 is in which place? Thousands place. So we have to write it here. 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to, we will get 4000. Okay, 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 4000. Okay, then see the next one. 6432. 6432. Okay, first we have to mention the periods. Okay, Mama, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, which number is in ones place? Which number is in ones place? 2. Okay, 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Then see the tens place. Which number is in tens place? 3. So we have to multiply by 10. Okay, 10 threes are 30. Then see the hundreds place. Then see the hundreds place. 4 multiplied by 100. We will get 4 multiplied by 100. We will get 400. Okay, very good. Then see the thousands place value. Then see the thousands place value. 6 multiplied by 1000. We will get 6000. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your max note. Now all of you open your max note. Take new page. Take new page and write. Sharp your pencil and write. Okay. Take new page. Here you should write class work. And by mention today's day and date. Okay. You have to mention today's day and date. This is today's class work. Okay. Write the place and phase value. Write neatly. Write one by one. Okay, Mama. All of you write neatly. Do you understand, children? Place value and face value. Find the place value. Is that no? Yes, okay. The place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it holds. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay. This is very easy. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, while the place value of a digit is the value we get when we multiply the digits by its place in the given number. So the place value of a digit changes according to its place, and the face value of a digit remains the same wherever it is placed. Okay, Mama? Place value of a digit changes according to its place. இடத்தை பொறுத்து அதோட மதிப்பு என்ன செய்யும்? மாறும். இடத்தை பொறுத்து அதனுடைய மதிப்பு என்ன செய்யும்? மாறும். இப்போ 3 is in 1's place means we have to multiply by 1 only. So we will get 3. But 3 is in 10's place means we have to multiply by 10. 10 3s are 30. 1's place means 3. 10's place are 30. 100's place are 300 will come. Yes? இடத்தை பொறுத்து அந்த நம்பரோட மதிப்பு என்ன செய்யும்? மாறும். Okay, Mama? But the face value means face value of a digit remains the same wherever it is placed. எங்கே இருந்தாலும் face value ட மதிப்பு அதே தான். அந்த நம்பர் thousandsல இருந்தாலும் ஓகே, hundredsல இருந்தாலும் சரி, tensல இருந்தாலும் ஓகே, onesல இருந்தாலும் ஓகே, அதோட மதிப்பு face value பொறுத்த அளவு மாறாது. Okay? Right, Ma? Write the place and face value. I hope you have understood the place and face value. Okay, start to write. Write the place and face value. W-R-I-T-E, write. W-R-I-T-E, write. T-H-E-D. P-L-A-C-E, place. A-N-D and F-A-C-E, face. V-A-L-U-E, value. Write the place and face value. $486. $486. Answer. The place value of 4 is 400. Okay, the first one, place value. P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. Place value is equal to 400. The place value of 4 in 486 is 400. Then the place value of 4 is 4. The face value of 4 is in 100th place. 100th place. We have to multiply and write 400. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 4 is 4. Then the second one, 946. Then the second one, 946. The second one, 946. Which number is underlined? 6. Write the answer. P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. Place value is equal to place value is equal to 6. The place value of 6 in 946 is 6. The place value of 6 in 946 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 6 is 6. Then see the third one, 73. See the third one, 73. Answer. Place value. Place value is equal to 70. The place value of 7 in 73 is 70. The place value of 7 in 73 is 70. Then the face value of 7 is 7. Then the face value of 7 is 7. Do you understand? All of you have written, children? All of you have written? All of you have written? I hope you have completed. Now, next see the second. Then take new page and write the next one. Find the place value. Take new page and write. Okay, Mama? Take new page and write. Find the place value. F-I-N-D. Find. T-H-E-D. P-L-A-C-E. Place. V-A-L-U-E. Value. Place value. Okay. If you have added, if you completed means one word. If you completed means you have to leave one finger space and write. Okay. Don't write it together. Once a line of words is completed, you have to leave one finger space and write the next word. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, right. Find the place value. Find the place value. See and write. Write neatly. Write beautifully without any one mistake. Okay. I will check your note. So all of you write neatly. Copy the class work now. Use only a pencil to write. Okay. Don't use pen or sketch or something. Use your pencil to write. Write neatly. Write it fast. Okay, Mama? Is it very easy? Do not draw the line using your hand. Okay? Do not draw the line using your hand. Take one scale and draw a line. Okay? கை வச்சு கோடிங் செய்யக்கூடாது. இப்படி இப்படின்னு போடக்கூடாது. மேம் போட்டேன்னு. You take one scale and draw a line properly. Okay? Take one scale and draw a line properly. Don't use your hand to draw a line. கையை வச்சு யாரும் கோடு போடக்கூடாது. Take one scale and draw a line. Write neatly. All of you have written? Okay. Take next page. Take next page. Take new page and write with me. Homework. Today's homework. Today's homework. Here you should write today's day and date. Okay, Mama? Here you should write today's day and date. Then write WRITE, right? THED, PLACE, place, AND and FACE, face, VALUE, value. Write the place and face value. WRITE, right? THED, PLACE, place, AND and FACE, face, VALUE, value. Write the place and face value. Okay. $6,260. Now the underlined digit number is 6. You have to write the answer here. Okay. The next one. 744. 744. Now we have to write the answer. You should write place value and face value. Okay, you should write. Then 89. Okay, 89. The underlined digit number is 8. So you have to write the answer, place value and face value. The first one, 6,260. 744, 89. Okay, 6,260, 744, 89. All of you have written this one? Shall I take next page? Okay. Next one, 4,861. I have to underline 4. 4,000. You should write place value and face value. Okay. The next one, 7,940. The underlined digit number is 9. Okay. The underlined digit number is 9. Then 68. 68. The underlined digit number is 8. Then 4,894. The underlined digit number is 1,000. The underlined digit number is 1,000. Okay. 4,861. 4,861. 7,940. 7,940. 68. 68. 4,894. 4,894. All of you have written? Okay, take next page. The next one heading is find the place value. Find. Find. The place. Place. Value. Find the place value. Okay, find the place value. Now write 486. Okay, 486. 8,943. 8,943. Then 712. 712. Okay, 712. 9,864. 9,864. Then 240. 240. Last one 673. Okay, the last one 673. All of you write it fast. Find the place value. Find. Find. Place. Value. Find the place value. The first one 486. 486. 8,943. 8,943. 712. 712. 9,864. 9,864. 240. 240. Last 673. 673. 673. All of you have written, children? All of you have written? Okay, I hope you have completed today class and homework. Do it your homework yourself. Don't give your note for others. Okay? Mom, என்னைக்கு homework கொடுக்குறோனோ அன்னைக்கு homework என்ன செஞ்சிடணும் பண்ணி முடிச்சிடணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே பண்ணலாம்னு நினைச்சக்கூடாது, வச்சிட்டு இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஓகே, when I give the homework you must do it at the given day. Okay, do it yourself. Next one we will see the next class. Okay mama, take care children. Thank you. Bye.